to Crystal Resin Art's first tutorial video. This is on our 8 flower petals mini ring dish silicone mold, showing you guys just a quick and easy way to get a cute mini ring dish. As you can see in the video, I'm using different colored mica powders to color in the recesses. I used yellow for the center, blue for the circles around, and then the petals will be done in another color. What I didn't show is how long it took to clean up the excess mica. This wasn't an easy process to do, but mica powder tends to spill out everywhere it's going, especially if your brush is throwing it around. So in between colors, I did end up using alcohol to clean in between where the color was supposed to go. Here's a great red. I forget what this red is. We use so many different products. This one I believe is a brick red. I'll put the colors down in the comments below. But kind of whipping you through here. Had the yellow in the center, the blue, the red on the outside. Taking the time to paint it. It's like painting within the lines, something I'm not very good at. Never was as a kid, apparently not now either. But once you paint in all your colors, you do have to go back with a clean brush. I put some rubbing alcohol into a cup and I mix it up, mix the brush in there so you can clean the brush in between, dab it off on a paper towel. Once you're ready to mix your resin, we use black pigment paste. You only need a drop or two. You pour the resin into the mold. When you get near the top of it, I always try to squeeze it, tap it to just get rid of some air bubbles so you get a nice finished piece without any holes in them, as we know resin likes to do. And I think the demolding is actually coming up here pretty fast. So I told you this was a quick tutorial. So this is our 8 flower petals mini ring dish silicone mold. It's available on our website, crystalresinart.com. And this is just the quick little tutorial showing you how to make one yourself. You can choose any colors. It's a nice size to hold jewelry or your crystals or anything else you want. Keep it on your bedside table, by the kitchen sink, anywhere you want.